Hi, I'm John with Trxstle, and I want to take a moment to introduce an all-new product called the low-profile locking knob kits. These all-new locking knobs convert your existing mounting hardware of the CRC system that we call the mounting clamps. They convert these clamps from the security nut hardware that comes standard into a locking knob style clamp. In the low-profile locking knob kit, you get two knobs, both are locking, and you get two keys. Switch from your standard mounting clamp to the locking knob low profile kit. Use a security wrench, loosen and remove the security nut and the lock washer. Be sure you keep this plastic pivot piece. Place your knob on the threaded rod, tighten it down, use your key to lock it in place. Once locked, your knob will spin freely, but it won't thread or unthread on the rod. You'll want to keep in mind that you do need about an inch of clearance underneath your crossbars, plus a little bit of room to get your key in there for you to use these safely. So that's it. Check them out on our website, and they'll be coming to fly shops and retailers near you soon.